friend's car has a broken mirror. There are some things that are obviously cheap and easy to replace yourself, but when you get to the store, it'll cost you at least $800. First, a broken rear view mirror. Take out your car keys. Pry it out from underneath the lens, and you can get this old lens out of it. This is a new lens I bought online for $10. Aim the lens at the base of the reverse mirror. Push down on it. Hear a click. It's all done. Secondly, there's no need to go to the store when the air conditioning is on and it's particularly smelly. Just open the glove compartment, press down on the mechanism inside, and snap open the cover. This will take out the old air conditioning filter inside. Wow. Look at that! It's so dirty. No wonder it stinks so bad. Buy a new air conditioning filter from the internet for $20–30. Shove it back in. Put the cover back on. And you're done. Thirdly, this windshield wiper doesn't clean the glass. You'll be charged at least a couple $100 at the store. Completely unnecessary. You can buy a new pair of wipers online. It's very easy to install.
Good.
All you have to do is press on this little spot on the wiper to remove the old one. Just insert the new wipers gently into the wiper and you're done. Fourth, the door won't open when you press the unlock button. This happens because the key is dead. You just need to remove the back cover. Take out the button battery inside. Go to the convenience store and spend $5 to buy a new button battery and install it back.